Okay, so we're just gonna jump straight into it. So what you need to do is completely straighten out your hair. It cannot have any bumps or anything like that. Then I parted my hair in the middle because that's how I normally have my part. The hair I am using is from my collection, and as you can see from the color, it is from my first video on my channel. I will link it into the description. So now I'm just sectioning the hair off. I'm taking my shears, and first you need to be in line with the hair. Like, you cannot be side to side with it. You have to be right in front of where you're cutting. So what I'm doing now is making my guide first. And now for the second cut. This is where you're going to cut. You see that line? That is where you're going to cut now. Now you just do that to the rest of the head. Now, I've made a mistake, and I'm going to show how I fixed it, but the mistake was caused by not standing straight against the hair. Here's a mistake. You see how it's still crooked, like it's asymmetrical? See, I could have gotten away with it if the tutorial wasn't was about asymmetrical bob, but no, we're going for a blunt cut. So I'm going to finish off doing this last part, and then I'm going to show how I fix that. Fixing it, I'm taking the comb and lining it up with the shorter end and just cutting it. Now let me show you that again. I'm just going down to see where the shorter end stops and then cutting it from there. Now I'm tilting the head down so I can get the hairs that I missed from the back. That way, if you turn your hair or put your head down, no one can clock you and see that, oh, your stylist didn't cut that right, or any of that. So I'm just fixing up any hairs that I missed. Taking my flat iron. I got this from Walmart. I forgot how much it was. I got it years ago, but I love this straightener. But all I'm doing now is just bumping the ends just to give it more texture so it's not choppy looking and really blunt. For today's video, I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you want to see how I got this color, it is my first video. I would put it in the video or in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. See you guys next time. Bye!